Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Get to level 30 or higher, equip any boat, and stash about 5,000 currency or 3C tokens. Once done, chart the target island coordinates and set sail immediately. Don't waste time grinding unrelated mobs. Make sure to keep your inventory clear for a quest item or drop. Head straight to the island's northwest dock, disembark, and look for the quest-giving NPC wearing a blue coat. That interaction opens the log pose path. After accepting the quest, move through the island sequence. Follow the markers to caves and camps, then clear the 3 named mobs the quest requires. You must collect a quest token dropped by those mobs, pick it up, and avoid leaving the objective area until all tokens register. Once you have all tokens, return to the blue coat NPC to turn in. Make sure to hand in any additional required items. If you miss one, the NPC won't give the log pose, and the chain won't progress. When the NPC grants the log pose, equip it immediately from your inventory and test it by setting a course. The log pose should lock to the nearest island automatically. If it doesn't appear, first open your quest log to confirm the turn-in registered. Relog to refresh the server state, and if needed, repeat the final kill or item turn-in. One key troubleshooting tip. Verify you use the correct token type. Similar tokens won't count, so recheck inventory descriptions before repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.